Welcome back to Eating the African Way. My name is Nicholas. Today we decided to leave our comfort zone and go on one of the streets along Kampala. Okay, this is outside Kampala, one of one of the suburbs that make up Kampala. This is Nyanama, where I stay. But we're going to move around the streets and see what they have. We're going to look at most of the foods Africans eat at night. So let us get into the video and see what they have. But we're going to make this video so quickly. We don't want to take a lot of time because I want to go back and sleep. This is supposed to be my comfort zone. I'm supposed to be in my bed sleeping, but let us do this quickly. We close the video. We're going to go one by one as we watch until the end. Keep watching, don't go anywhere. This is Eating the African Way and my name is Nico. I know now we have got into what we are going to look at in this video, so let us eat. We are going to have, as you're watching right now, there are katogo. I don't know what is katogo in English, mixture of offals and then bananas, and also mixture of green nuts and then bananas, the matoke, the Ugandan matoke, and also Irish potatoes. But let us eat as we explain what we are going to eat. But don't go anywhere, keep watching. So let us dive into our first dishes, and then we go to the next one. So this is going to be our first dish for this night. We still have another one, but and also after here we're going to go to other places around here and we see what they have. But other foods might be similar because they almost cook the same foods, just cook them differently. But let us just dive into this. What we have here is matoke, as I told you earlier, matoke, and then the offals. Are these for goats or cows? I think these are, I don't want to go into that. But let us enjoy this and then we rush into before it gets late. So in this video I wanted to share with you some of the foods Ugandans eat at night. Ugandans eat at night. So this is the video for you. If you've been asking yourself, what do those people eat? What do Africans eat at night? I know we have food differences where you are. If you're in Europe, some of you eat junk foods for supper. I'm sorry if I offended someone, but here we eat real food. Let it be breakfast, let it be lunch, let it be brunch, let it be supper. We eat real food. We eat heavy dishes. But I love the freshness because these foods don't, they always cook those big saucepans, but they don't have leftovers. They have to go when those saucepans are empty. As you're going to watch at the end of the video, if you get a chance to find one with an empty saucepan. But as you watch, it was full, but we came here late because of other stuff we were supposed to do. But they don't have leftovers. This is what I'm putting my emphasis on. Because tomorrow they have to cook fresh food again from the market, straight from the market to their saucepans and then to our plates as we enjoy. But this plate will cost you around that is $1, like 3,000 Ugandan shillings. Imagine how cheap our foods are. $1, you get yourself a plate of this. But we're going to have two. That will cost us like $2. We will be sharing all the costs along the video, but don't go anywhere, keep watching. I feel it is tender. I expected it to be so hard, but you can chew it. It is chewable. So let us go to let us have our next plate and leave this place because I think we still have a plenty to choose from, plenty to eat from. So I don't want to eat a lot. I'll be sharing this with my cameraman, and also if anyone around is interested. So as I told you, most of our foods you're going to find along the streets are going to be matoke mixed with different sauces. So what we have here is again matoke mixed with peanut, and then are they called eggplants? Those big ones. Yeah, let us just made it. So matoke is going to be the food you're going to find throughout the country. Go to western side, go to central, maybe northern Uganda, things are going to change, but other parts, matoke will never miss on the menu. Okay, let us also go enjoy this, and then we go to another place. But thank you so much for keeping yourself on Eating the African Way. I love you all. Also, this plate is going to cost you the same amount. That is 3,000 Ugandan shillings. Again, that is $1. Yeah, it's $1, not cent. That is $1. But what we have here is matoke mixed with peanut. Those are ground nuts. And then the eggplants. I don't know what else is in this. I think there are tomatoes. But you can come and be part of this. You can come and enjoy this. If you want to have a night food tour, food experience in Kampala, I'm the right person. You can come, have your time. You can even go to other places, which I don't want to mention in this video. But let us eat. Sirimu namawulire. I'm complaining someone is calling me a news reporter behind the camera. You know, our people, whenever they see camera, they see a news reporter, a news anchor. I'm a YouTuber. Ndi muli wa mmere. But as you're watching this video, you can tell us what you want to see next on this channel. Again, it can be a different nightlife experience, again about food, but from a different society or different foods. But in Uganda, we don't have, almost our foods are the same across the streets. Maybe if you go outside Kampala, you go to northern Uganda, things are going to change, as I told you earlier. And also our foods are not spiced the way, when you go to West Africa, things are going to be different. Their foods are so spiced, are full of pilipili, chili, and Ugandans, I think because we are so peaceful, we don't want to mess up our foods. We want to leave our foods enjoyable to everyone. Unless you want chili, they'll put it aside or add it for you in case you want it. But also, one thing I've discovered, why married men go back home when they are not hungry. I think these are some of the places they first go to, they eat, then they go back and just sleep, because these are some of the irresistible places you're going to find along the streets. Their foods, you just see them from a distance and feel like I think I should test this. By the time you realize you have visited that place for like a year. Oluzungu lubuze wamenda kwogera kinange bwe wali amanyi ku luzungu antaaseeko wano. Oluzungu lumbulako. Olulimi olugwirwa luzibu nnyo. But I even forgot what I was explaining, but let us just eat. If I was English, I would be Englishing, but I'm black. I'm African. I'm a Ugandan. Okay, I think let us go to our next place and see what they have. I wanted to go somewhere where they sell porridge. I don't know if we still have, we are still on time, but let us go and check. Also check and see what they have. But we are going to do our best. It is late, but we'll do our best and see what we can get for you as you're watching. But thank you so much for watching until this stage. Don't go anywhere until the end. There's somewhere I want to take you. There's always where I go to take my favorite drink. So I don't want you to miss. So let us go. Let us go. Abajje mbadde ndiirazeewa sinnagiwulira. Gende. One of the things that is going to attract you when you reach Nyanama stage is the sound that calls you to buy pilau from this place. So this guy sells one of the most delicious pilau we have along Nyanama. So pilau wameka. Pilau wabiri arachuse bei yavudde ku lukumi. He's now changing the price. It's supposed to be elifu moja 1K, that is a cent. Now he's selling it 2K. Why you agala kusala nsawo? Wa mugaga. Ndi mugaga. No. So he's seeing a camera and calling me a rich man. I'm also like you. Eh? We are both in the struggle. Yeah. So okay, make for me one for elifu moja. Hey. So we're going to make for 1,000 Ugandan shillings. That's going to be cents. That is elifu moja. So let us also eat, and then we go to another place and see what they have for us. But I think if you sell this in Rwanda like this, you end up in prison. Kavera. Hey, Kavera. And a lot of people are watching this video are going to complain about no, about the Kavera. You're not supposed to put food into this. Yes. But you know we are Ugandans, yeah? We have survived for years. There are a lot of stuff they want us to go off, but those are things that have kept us. Come closer, come closer. I think we have looked at 3 different Ugandan street foods that we have seen so far. So the 4th one is going to be porridge, buji. So this is made up of soya and then mata, milk. So let us also enjoy this. So this is going to cost you 500 Ugandan shillings only. Those are cents. I know you can have this like 100 cups if you come here and enjoy this. But I know some of the questions you ask is what I eat a lot, but I don't gain weight. I do 2 things in my life. I play soccer and then I have enough sleep. I sleep. So nothing else. I don't go to gym. I don't do what. I just eat, play soccer, go to my bed. But you can come and be part of this. If you're visiting Uganda, there is plenty you can feast on. Apart from those foods you have seen on this channel, someone behind the camera is looking at me like he's watching a TV show. But let us enjoy this. We are not going to look at everything because some have rejected us, some have sent us away because they don't want to see a camera. And we will get few ones, and then we close the video. By the way, it is raining, but we have to keep going. I don't know where the rain came from. Most of the people didn't work today because it rained during the day, and now it is raining, sending our people back to their homes. But we'll do our best. There were so many people behind me, but I think most of them have gone back home because it is raining and people cannot buy food when it's raining. Everyone is running to go back to their places. But we'll try our best. We'll try our best. Osekachi. The reasons why I don't want to do videos within the places I stay in, because people see me during daytime, and because they see me as I don't want to say normal person because I'm not abnormal, but there's a picture they see you when they see you looking into a camera, or when they see the videos, the picture changes. Even your appearance has to change. Okay, let's go to another place and see what they have. Don't go anywhere. Keep until the end. We ran away from outside because it is raining. So these are my card mates. These are guys I always play cards with. Some of you send me messages and I tell you I'm playing cards. So they are complaining about this. We are going to have, okay, one of the reasons why, the main reason why I'm here, I wanted to show you some of the drinks I enjoy along the streets of Kampala. It's called pineapple juice. Tuweyo mnanasi. Bekadi. Akasajja kagala omunanasi kano. But this week I'm going to do this video from the start to the end. I'm going to show you step by step how this pineapple juice is made. Some of you blend it, others I don't know how you make it, but I will show you how we make our Ugandan pineapple juice. Ngenda kubono. Tugende. This is a game down. This is a game down. Eh? Musajja. Spade. Kola kina kola. Zanya fo. So we decided to take some time here as it stops raining. But after you're going to go and do the last part of the video. But thank you so much for keeping yourself on eating the African way. Kano kabitano, just 500 Ugandan shillings. Si sente nyingi nnyo. Abadde ayagala kufuna mudaali. Okay, I think this is going to be the end of this video. I wanted to cover most of the foods, but it is raining and I can't risk the camera into the rain. So this is going to be the end. But thank you so much for being part of Eating the African Way. Maybe later we'll do something. We'll start early, then we'll cover most of the foods. But for now, bye-bye. Catch up at the next video. Bye-bye. So let us finish the game. I think I can't choose some. Bye bye.